Khalistani sympathizers harassed and disrupted a service arranged by the families of the Kanishka bombing tragedy. This went on unchecked. On one hand, Canada's parliament honours terrorists by observing silence for them. And on the other hand, Khalistani sympathizers go unchecked as they disrupt a memorial service for the victims of terror attack. My colleague Brian still with us on the broadcast. Brian, a service, the memorial service was disrupted by Khalistani sympathizers. So if you could take our viewers through what exactly took place.
Well, definitely, Asari, during this very solemn service also that was happening to commemorate the 1985 Kanishka bomb tragedy. Now, Khalistani sympathizers disrupted the, proceedings that was happening, disrupted the very solemn service that was happening. And definitely these actions are very deeply disrespectful. And even to the fact that there was this ceremonial service that was going on, there was these, tribute that was going, that was happening. And it was disrupted, it was, disturbed by the Khalistani, sympathizers. And even to the fact that even if we talk about, the mastermind that, who was one of the main mastermind behind the very 1985 Kanishka bomb tragedy, that was Talvinder Singh Parmar. And he was also the leader of the Baba Khalsa, group. And also he was rather the mastermind behind it. And still, days before also the Kanishka bomb blast that happened, even the CSI surveillance also team actually even observed a test explosion that was conducted by the Khalistani extremist in a wooded area that happened in June 1985. So yes, there was a lot of mishaps, a lot of mismanagement from the security agencies also that led to something like this. Definitely it could have been avoided if the security management would have been more stringent and would have been more, cautious. Something like this, a major tragedy would have been rather, avoided. But now, when you see on the other hand, Justin Trudeau is planning to reopen the case, and he's talking about this very tragedy, where he talks about he even tweets tweets in a platform X about the mishap that happened. And on the other hand, you see when there is a solemn service going on, there's a tribute going on to the martyrs, to the passengers who lost their lives. You see the Khalistani sympathizers coming there. They are threatening, they are disrupting, they are disturbing the solemn service, and they are being chaotic about it. They are causing a major chaos. And also this is not the first time that something like this happening. For the first time, you see there have been a pattern that goes on, where you see these Khalistani sympathizers, they come, they disrupt, they go to the high commissions, they they disrespect the Indian flag, they disrespect the integrity of India, and you see these happening. But again, if you see if it happens in Canada, there is no proper step also that has been taken. There is no proper a proper action that is being taken, and you see the Canadian government is also mum about it and speaks nothing about it and takes no proper step. Asafri.
Right, absolutely. Brian, you've told us that there was a lack of security that led to this this disruption, but the crux of the matter is security, no security. This should not be the situation. The fact that people are coming out, they're missing their family members. Why? This should not be the situation. They should be allowed to mourn their loved ones. All right, Brian, thanks for joining and sharing all those details with our viewers. Meanwhile, joining us at this point of time is Mr. Jay Bhagwan Goyal, BJP leader. Sir, a very good morning to you, and thank you so much for taking out time and speaking to us on News X. Now, what is it going to take for the Canadian government and Justin Trudeau to come to terms with the actuality of the matter? The fact that Khalistani terrorists were involved in the Kanishka bombing, the fact that they vandalized Hindu temples, the fact that families, Sikh families, are harassed on the streets, and now, well, the fact that they've disrupted a memorial. I mean, how do you view this whole situation, and is it time for the Indian Parliament to then send a message out?
हेलो
जी सर, आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
जी जी, मुझसे पूछ रही हैं आप क्वेश्चन?
हाँ जी, आपसे ही सवाल था ये।
देखिए, आज हम 39वीं डेथ एनिवर्सरी मना रहे हैं उन 300 बेकसूर लोगों की जिनको खालिस्तानी आतंकवादियों ने कनिष्ठ मार दिया था, और आज उनको नमन करते हैं। मगर हम देख रहे हैं कि जो कनाडा है, कनाडा में खुलेआम निज्जर जैसे आतंकवादी को श्रद्धांजलि दी जा रही है उनके संसद में, और जो पन्नू खालिस्तान की मूवमेंट चला रहा है, उन्होंने पहले निज्जर की हत्या की, हमारे ऊपर आरोप लगाया, फिर साजिश का आरोप लगाया।
I think we're facing some connectivity issues over there, but of course, viewers, we're bringing to you the situation in Canada, which is that in the Canadian Parliament, there was, of course, 1 minute silence for Hardeep Singh Nijjar, and now when Indians are holding a memorial service for their loved ones, there has been a situation where Khalistani sympathizers have now disrupted this event. And this is the unfortunate reality that prevails in Canada. And a 2-line statement was issued by Justin Trudeau where he just called it violence by extremists. So that's, of course, something that we are discussing at this point of time.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.